Maximize every second. The power of don't waste a moment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its nuances. Today, we're going to explore a very motivational and inspiring phrase, don't waste a moment. This phrase is not just about time management. It's a philosophy of life. Stay with us as we unfold its meaning and how you can apply it in your daily life to achieve your goals and dreams. Don't waste a moment is a phrase that encourages us to make the most of our time. At its core, it reminds us that time is precious and irreplaceable. When we say, don't waste, we're essentially advising against spending time on activities that do not add value to our lives or help us progress towards our goals. The word, moment, signifies any period of time, no matter how short it may be, emphasizing that every second counts. This phrase ties directly into the concept of time management, a crucial skill for success and personal development. By not wasting a moment, we're encouraged to plan, prioritize, and execute tasks efficiently. This means setting clear goals, identifying what's most important, and taking action without delay. Good time management enables us to achieve more with the limited time we have, leading to greater productivity and satisfaction. So, how can we put this philosophy into practice? Here are a few tips. Set clear and achievable goals. Know what you want to achieve in a day, a month, or a year. Prioritize tasks. Determine what's most important and what can wait. Avoid procrastination. Tackle your tasks without unnecessary delay. Stay focused. Minimize distractions to maintain your focus on the task at hand. Reflect on your day. Take a moment each evening to think about what you accomplished and what you can do better tomorrow. Embracing the mindset of don't waste a moment can lead to profound changes in your life. It's about more than just being productive. It's about living fully and consciously, appreciating the value of every moment, and making decisions that reflect our true priorities and aspirations. This philosophy can transform how we approach challenges, relationships, and personal growth, leading to a more fulfilled and purpose-driven life. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the powerful meaning behind "Don't waste a moment." We hope this video inspires you to look at your time differently and encourages you to make the most of every second. Remember, time is one of the most precious resources we have, and it's up to us to use it wisely. Until next time, keep pushing forward, never stop learning, and don't waste a moment in pursuing your dreams.